Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of tech gadgets with something pretty unique, the Cadiwe scrolling ring. This little device claims to revolutionize how we interact with our phones, promising effortless scrolling, clicking, and page turning, especially for apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and even Kindle. It connects via Bluetooth and supposedly works with both iPhone and Android. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? Well, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the ring is surprisingly lightweight and sleek. It comes in pink, as you can see, but I believe it's available in other colors too. Pairing it with my phone was straightforward, no complicated setup or confusing instructions. The ring itself has a clickable button, and the outer edge acts as the scrolling mechanism. You basically just rotate your finger along the ring to scroll up or down. So first up, TikTok. This is where the Cadiwe ring really aims to shine. And honestly, it's interesting. Scrolling through my For You page definitely felt different. It's kind of like using a really tiny, sensitive dial. It takes a bit of getting used to, finding the right pressure and speed to avoid accidentally flying past videos. The clicking function, designed for likes and other interactions, worked well enough, but I found myself still instinctively reaching for the screen sometimes. Moving on to Instagram, the experience was similar. Scrolling through posts and stories was smooth, but again, it took some practice to get the hang of it. I could see this being useful for longer scrolling sessions, potentially reducing finger strain. On YouTube, the ring functioned much the same way, allowing for easy scrolling through video recommendations and comments. Now, for the Kindle app. This is where I thought the page-turning feature would be most beneficial. And it did work, allowing me to flip pages with a flick of my finger. However, I didn't find it significantly more convenient than just tapping the screen. It felt a little gimmicky, to be honest. One thing that struck me as odd was the product description mentioning compatibility with Windows Server 2000 and a screen size of 3.2 centimeters. This clearly seems like an error, as this is a Bluetooth device meant for mobile phones, not a computer operating system. Also, the 10 megabytes memory storage capacity seems irrelevant for this type of device. These discrepancies in the product information are a little concerning and make me question the overall quality control. So, the big question, is the Cadiwe scrolling ring worth it? It's a tough call. It's definitely a novel concept, and it does work as advertised. The scrolling is smooth, and the clicking is responsive. However, it's not a game changer. It didn't drastically improve my phone usage experience, and in some cases, I found myself preferring the traditional touch controls. If you're looking for a unique tech accessory and want to try a different way of interacting with your phone, it might be worth checking out. But if you're expecting a revolutionary experience, you might be a little disappointed. It feels more like a novelty item than a must-have gadget. Ultimately, your mileage may vary. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you tried a scrolling ring before? Would you use something like this? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.